So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to find your referral code on Stake. So first, you need to access any search engine or web browser. But in this case, I am using a Google Chrome, but you could use any search engines based on your preference. After that, you need to search for the stake.com on the search bar and then access your account by entering your credentials, and after that you will redirect to this page. Then after that you will see on the left hand navigation bar, which is a few options. You just have to click under the affiliate. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page, which is you could see your referral link or your referral code. So for you to able to copy that or refer your friends, you just have to click this button, which is it will automatically copied from your clipboard. And that's how you find your referral code on Stake website. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to slash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.